Hi, in this lesson you will learn how to use DEMAND360 to compare a show to a portfolio of shows. Specifically, we will dive into answering the question, how does the show Ms. Marvel compare to other shows that are either comedy action or comedy crime? At the end of the lesson, you will have a better understanding of how to use custom portfolios, gene filters, the demand distribution chart, and the scatter plot. Let's get started. Let's start with creating comedy action and comedy crime portfolios. Click on Portfolios, TV Portfolios, and New TV Portfolio. You can search individual shows if you have already a specific list of shows that you want to group. In this example, though, we want to use gene filters to select the set of shows that we want to analyze. We want to select shows based on their genre tags. So under genre, we select action and comedy. Note that you can adjust whether you want to select shows that have both or either of the tags. In this case, we want to see shows that are tagged as both comedy and action. Click Apply. Click Select All or individually select and deselect titles if you want to further refine the titles in your portfolio. Then give your portfolio a name, Comedy Action. You also have the option to share this portfolio with your team, which we don't need to do right now, so we just hit Save. We will quickly do the same with the Comedy Crime portfolio. Create new portfolio, select the Comedy and Crime genre tag, Apply, select all, give it a name, and save. Now to see how Ms. Marvel compares to comedy action and comedy crime portfolios, we will move to the demand distribution chart. The demand distribution chart shows you how a title or portfolio compares to the average demand in a market, where 1 represents the market average. This gives you an instant overview of whether the title or portfolio has below average, average, good, outstanding, or exceptional performance. For this example, we select Ms. Marvel under individual titles, and under portfolios, we select the 2 custom portfolios we just created. In this little drop down here, make sure that you select Group, otherwise it will show you the individual titles within the portfolio. Here we can see how Ms. Marvel and both portfolios are performing compared to the demand of the average TV show in the US market in the last 30 days. We can see that the average demand of shows in the comedy crime portfolio is 1.98 times the demand of the average TV show. The average demand of shows in the comedy action portfolio is 3.44 times the demand of the average TV show. And the average demand for Ms. Marvel is 9.61 times the demand of the average TV show. Another powerful visualization to compare titles across portfolios is a scatter plot. So let's move to the scatter plot. Here, select both portfolios to get a quick visual overview of where Ms. Marvel sits across the shows within the portfolio. We can even further refine our analysis with gene filters here. For example, let's look at only digital original shows that have had their first season release within the last year. So you select Digital Original from Release Type, and under Release Date, we select the last 365 days, so the last year. We will also adjust the demand time frame to view demand expressed over the last year. This gives us a quick visual reference of how different TV shows within the portfolios are benchmarked against the average TV show. You can see Ms. Marvel is the 3rd most in-demand show in the comedy action and the 2nd most in-demand show in the comedy crime portfolio. I hope this has given you some inspiration to explore DEMAND360. If you have any more questions, check out our Help Center resources.